Welcome back to Car Look, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking a look at something truly special, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach SL 680. This isn't just any luxury car, it's the epitome of elegance, power, and performance all rolled into one. If you've ever wondered what it's like to experience the perfect blend of sophistication and speed, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Mercedes Maybach SL 680, you know you're looking at a masterpiece. The bold front grille, luxurious chrome accents, and sweeping curves make a statement of pure class. Mercedes Maybach has always been synonymous with luxury. But this time, they've taken it a step further by blending high performance with high-end elegance. Now let's talk about one of the SL 680's most eye-catching features, the retractable soft top. In just seconds, you can transform this beauty from a sleek coupe to an open-top roadster, perfect for enjoying a luxurious drive under the sun. But the real magic is under the hood. So let's dive into the performance. Under the hood, the 2025 SL 680 houses a 6.0-liter V12 engine, delivering a whopping 630 horsepower. This beast isn't just about cruising and comfort, it's about power. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds at supercar territory, all while wrapped in luxury. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, whether you're gliding through the city or pushing the limits on the open road. Of course, a Maybach wouldn't be a Maybach without an ultra-luxurious interior, and the SL 680 does not disappoint. Let's step inside and take a closer look at what this car has to offer. The interior is a masterpiece in its own right. Hand-stitched Napa leather, customizable ambient lighting, and a premium Burmester 3D sound system ensure that every ride feels like a first-class experience. And the dual 12.3-inch displays provide both the driver and passenger with all the information and entertainment you could ever need, with massage seats, climate control, and even heated armrests. The SL 680 is designed to pamper you on every journey. Whether you're on a long highway drive or cruising through the city, the SL 680's advanced technology is there to make your drive seamless. The latest version of Mercedes MBUX infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, offering everything from voice commands to navigation, all at your fingertips. Safety is just as important as luxury in the 2025 SL 680. It comes with all the latest in driver assistance technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. Plus, the 360-degree camera and parking assist make maneuvering this stunning machine effortless even in the tightest of spaces. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Mercedes Maybach SL 680 is more than just a luxury car, it's a statement of excellence in both design and performance. Whether you're looking for unparalleled comfort, breathtaking speed, or simply the joy of open-top driving, this car delivers it all. Be sure to let us know in the comments what you think of the SL 680. And as always, don't forget to share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews right here on Car Look.